Hi there, it's Kevin from the Figaro Owners Club. It's great to be with you. Another one of my videos, and this one is all about cleaning your seat belts on your Figaro. Now there's two great reasons to do that. Number one is they look great when they're done because they're a lovely ivory colour and they match all the beautiful upholstery on the car, and they really do look lovely when they're done. And number two, probably more importantly, is what you'll find is that they will retract much easier than ever, because what happens over a period of time, that the dirt builds up in the webbing and it stops it bending into the mechanism at the bottom of the car, the retracting mechanism. It'll stop it retracting as easily as it ever did before. And the reason it doesn't retract is because you've got dirt build up on the webbing, and that stops it going around the actual mechanism as easily as it did before, because obviously it's much stiffer. So this process, basically what it does is removes all the dirt and the webbing will go back in. The safety seat belts will retract much easier than ever before. So another great reason to do it. So what do we need to do that? So we need three things basically. We need a nice warm, lukewarm water with some washing powder in, and we've got some Persil in there. Thanks very much from Sue, courtesy of Sue. She's made these two buckets up for me. Second, we need some clothes pegs. The clothes pegs allows you to withdraw the belts as far as they'll go, and obviously holds them in position whilst it's going through its wash actually in the bucket. Now the great thing about it is it pulls it out. Obviously it can't wash this bit here, but we're not worried about this because this bit's been in the car, never used, never used. It never goes to the extent of using all of this. Typically it's the last part of the safety belt that we use, and the last part basically is, as I said, nice warm water, and obviously most importantly is a lovely sunny day, and it's Easter weekend 2020. We're in COVID-19 lockdown, so probably look back on this and think, God, do we remember that horrible time when we were all stuck in our houses, going through that awful time. But anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to leave this to soak for about a good 15-20 minutes, and afterwards we'll give it a good aggravation, and you know, a bit like you haven't got a washing machine, get your hands in there and, you know, move it about with the webbing. That'll get all the dirt off, and then get it out, and then we're going to hang it up over the car to dry. All right, moving on. So whilst I'm at it, what I decided also to do was to remove the seal that goes around the top of the roof. As you know, it's if you've got one of the original cars, it's got like a little fur on it, and I've put this in the bucket as well, so because it just pulls off from the top here. This great thing I love about the Figaro, all this just pulls off. It's not glued on. So you can see this is getting pretty good now. I've got a little scrubbing brush as well, this little nail brush here, just nothing too severe on it, but it's looking really good now. Work your way. Part also nice to do the obviously the catches as well. Get it all really clean. And give it a good old. So before we going to hang them out to dry, what we want to do now is to soak them in a bucket of fresh water, again lukewarm, just to get all the washing powder out of the strap. Otherwise, according to Sue, it will dry a bit hard. So this is a good little tip as well. So next thing I'm going to do is, I've got a couple of little things here just to wrap them over while they dry outside of the car. So I've just hung them out to dry, and I'm just working on the roof seal at the moment in the bucket, just with a scrubbing brush, and again that'll be drying very soon. Okay, so it's all finished and dry now, so I'll give you a quick tour. We've got them all back in now, so that's the passenger one, sorry, the driver's one, and around here the passenger belts. Absolutely fabulous. You can see they even move really nicely now, much better than before, and look lovely and clean. Look at that. Fantastic. So good little tip there for you. And also what I've done is whilst I was doing it, as I said, I removed the seal that runs around the top here of the roof, and also put that in a bucket of cleaner. That's come out really nice. So it looks super new now. So there we go, another one of our videos from the club. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll catch you soon on the next one. Cheers, bye.